So they canceled this event with you in mind. You're the reason they canceled it. But it's not a bad thing, because at least they're looking out for your well interests. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so for today, I wanted to talk a little bit about the GIO 2020 event being canceled. If you're wondering why I'm saying GIO, is because this is like the 5th time I'm recording this video and it just keeps activating Assistant and it just crashes my camera. Speaker over here starts just going off about it can't help with that, which I'm not even asking for help. So I'm just going to refer to it as the GIO 2020. And yes, they did cancel it, and they canceled it with you in mind, considering the Dr. Mario virus that's running rampant. Since we can't really, I don't know, this is pretty stupid. Why we can't really say the name of what it is. Obviously, I mean the whole world knows about it, but yeah, the Dr. Mario virus is making its rounds around. People are contracting it, and you know it's a long, hard-fought battle at this point. And Google has you in mind to protect you. So a lot of the people who purchased tickets to GIO 2020 are going to be getting a refund by March 13th. You will get an option to purchase a ticket for GIO 2021. But yeah, this event is canceled, and they just don't want people congregating to one place and someone possibly having the illness and then spreading it. By those people being at that event and then going back to their hometowns, you know, and increase the risks of spreading it more in the U.S. and they want to avoid that, and that's understandable. I can understand why they would cancel the GIO event because of that. But the thing that I don't understand, and I'm trying to confirm if this will happen or will not happen, is if they intend to actually just do a live broadcast on YouTube showing everything that they've made advancements in with their software, hardware, maybe the possible release of the Pixel 4a. Like, these are some of the things that I'm thinking like they should do a live stream on. Still, even if the full event is canceled, at least do a live stream where all of us can just pretty much watch it from our laptops or home computers or our smart TVs. You know, I've been doing it that way for so many years. Every time GIO comes around, I've been watching it on their YouTube channel. I've been watching the different events, and they can still do it the same way as they've been doing it, just without physical people, attending the stands. Without seats empty or whatever. Like they can live stream it still from the theater itself and just do it in segments where they can focus on the auto side of things, the AI side of things, and then if they're unveiling the Pixel 4a, unveil that bad boy for the world to see and give us the confirmed pricing on it and when it's going to be ready for order. And then go forward, talk more about the Pixel Buds, talk more about other things that's cooking up in the software side, because that's what GIO basically is they show a lot of the things that they've advanced in software side. And yes, we are still interested in knowing what types of things Google's coming out with in the works. So that's something that we definitely would want, and hopefully they intend to still do something like that, even if they're not going to have a bunch of press and various different tech companies there to watch the unveiling or watch the keynotes of all these things. At least provide it to us through a live stream. I would hope, fingers crossed, they would do something like that, even though the event is canceled. Now, if you did buy tickets to GIO 2020, just know that they're going to be giving back refunds by March 13th. So you should be getting your refund here within a week or so. And they said something about allowing people to order tickets for GIO 2021. So I don't know if that's going to be there, or if they're going to offer you a refund or just offer you a ticket for the event for next year. So yeah, we'll have to see when people start getting their refunds and what they confirm exactly happened. But yeah, pretty sad. No live event. I wasn't going to be able to attend the event. I don't have that kind of money to spend on tickets to that event. They're pretty pricey to get in. But I'm just hoping that they're not completely canceling the event and everything is just going to be released on third-party sites that, have the inside scoop and are going to start talking about it. I really hope that they'll still have some sort of event. Call it a virtual event if you want to. I mean, I'm okay with that. I don't know about some of you guys, but I'm okay with having a virtual event where I can just watch the live stream and just see these people come up and speak as if they're speaking to a crowd, but they're speaking to us, the crowd watching from a live broadcast. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it. And if you were going to attend, let us know how you felt about finding out that it was being canceled. You guys do that in the comment section of the video. And thanks a lot if you took the time to subscribe. Really appreciate that. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload more videos in the future. And as always, aloha.
Let me out. I'm stuck in your pocket.